So my grandson had a bath today, and this is what happened with our faucet. I'm going to attempt to fix it, and hopefully it's an easy fix. So let's get started. The handle also comes off, but to just unscrew that bottom base all the way off. Yeah, oh, it's coming off. There we go. Okay, so this is the actual cartridge here. So if we need it, if it was leaking or anything, we would go to that. Okay, so we're going to put this back on there and then spin the bottom, the base, and not the top. So try to, yeah, there you go. And then just hold that handle in the right position. Is it catching?
Yeah.
There. So we should be able to tighten that right down. I get a little panicky when stuff happens. That's loosening.
It is.
Yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we want to get it all the way down to that base so that there's no play. Your dad must have siliconed him down or something, because it didn't really move when I tried to touch it, which is a good thing, I guess. Not everything requires a plumber. There we go. That's it. Now we just have to keep our eyes on, you know, Grayson and when he's touching stuff. But that's it, guys. Easy fix.